Yo, what's going on, wolves? It's your girl Island Wolf, and today we're gonna be doing a review video on the Mpow H19 IPO active noise canceling headset. These things I have on my head right now. In an unboxing video, if you guys want to check that out, link will be in the description, annotation on screen. So starting with the pros, it fits on your head very well. It's actually pretty comfortable to have on right now. Doesn't hurt my ears when I wear it for long periods of time, which is always an amazing thing because you never want to get headphones that's gonna hurt your ears. Another pro of this headphones is that the noise cancellation is actually really good. Like, a lot of headphones say that their noise cancellation is like good, but these things I can't hear anything. It's really good. It's so good that when there's a thunderstorm out, my nephew doesn't like thunder, I let him use my headphones. He can't hear anything. It's great. The sound quality for music, videos, and phone calls is actually pretty good. I was actually listening to a live stream while I was trying to set everything up to record this video, and man, the sound is just strong. Like, usually I have to put my headphones to about 60% on my PC or whatever device I'm listening to, but with these right now I have it set to 20 and it is loud. I'm telling you, it is loud. You don't really need to put the volume all the way up with these things, especially if you have on the active noise cancellation. It's strong. Another pro is that the aux cable is thick, and when I say thick, it's thick. Now unfortunately I have no idea where I put this aux cable. I think I gave it to my mom, so I'm using another aux cable, which I don't even know where I got this one from. But even this aux cable is pretty thick, you know, like you can see in the unboxing video that the aux cable in that came with it is the thick boy out there. Charging with this headset is pretty easy. The charging cable is long, so like you don't really have to worry about if it's too short. Now, one thing I hate about headsets and headphones is that when the charging cable is way too short and you literally have to like try and sit it on top of something, like on top of the box that you have it plugged into the wall with. It's annoying. I want to be able to have it, you know, maybe rested on my desk or rested on my nightstand, you know, not on the floor or anything like that. So good build quality. I mean, these things right now, look at this, like the thing is built. It's sturdy. It's not gonna break on you, so that's a good thing, especially if you're using this roughly. I don't know who uses headphones roughly. Like I said, I let my nephew, who is 4, use these headphones, and hey, they still standing. So, you know, these things have been through a lot. I'm pretty sure I've thrown them once just to test out to see how durable they are. And yeah, it's like I'm swiveling hard and it's not breaking. So yeah, the build quality for real is good. And the last pro of this headphones is that they are very simple to use. Like, they don't have many buttons. You literally plug it in and go. The active noise canceling is pretty straightforward. Like I said, see, active noise canceling on, off, pretty simple. Got the charger port, you got the LED light, got the power button, which actually doesn't work. We're going to talk about that in a second. And you got the volume up and down. Pairing these things wasn't too hard to do. So if you're not tech savvy like some people out there, you know, some older people like my mother who are not tech savvy, don't know how to really do all this stuff, and I have to do it for her, you don't really have to worry about all that. So now we're gonna get to the cons. So for the first con, the wireless does not work. The button is bad. This button right here, this button, I don't know if you guys can see it, the power button, right? It doesn't work. I don't know why. It worked one time since I've had this headset. I have had these headphones for a long time. I'll say a couple of months. I tested it out. Only worked once. And I don't know what happened. I don't know if the mechanism got stuck or whatever. But the design of this button is bad, and they should change the design. Mpow, if you're listening to this review, please change the design of this button because it doesn't work. It is terrible and basically makes this headphones useless for wireless. Another con of this headset is that the ear cup swivels the wrong way. And when I say swivel, rotate. Okay, listen. They go like this. Why do I have to switch it all the way over just to get it to rest on my shoulders? Okay, I don't like when the cable comes across like this. I don't want it to go across my chest like this. Okay, and then I have to pick it up, turn it around, and put it back on my head. That doesn't make any sense. It should swivel the way that the cable is. I don't understand. That was a big pet peeve for me when I found this out, and I was like, yo, I can't use this headphones because it's like, why would I want to do all this extra work? You know, people are lazy. People don't want to do all this. Make it simple for them. Come on, man. So overall, how do I feel about this headset? I like that it comes with a travel bag. Now you see that I have the case over here. I had bought this case with it, but it comes with a little travel bag, and the travel bag is pretty dope. I like that any headphones come with storage and traveling. By the way, this is the charging cable. It's, like I said, it's pretty long. This is a travel bag. it's not too bad in that respect. Honestly, if the ear cups rotate the right way and the wireless mode work, I would like these headphones a lot more. I probably wouldn't recommend these headphones, to be honest with you. I paid $55 for these and the wireless mode doesn't work and the ear cups swivel the wrong way. Now, I don't know if I just got a bad headset. Like, I don't know if this is like a defective headset or whatever, but you know, for $55, that's not worth it to me. For the two features that I actually care about, kind of sucks. The fact that I can't use wireless mode is actually pretty bad, so take that in consideration. I don't know if all these headphones have this issue, but I'm just saying for my headphones, I have this issue and I don't like it. I would definitely recommend a different type of headphones for the money. Mpow actually makes very good headphones. Don't take this video and say, oh, they make all trash headphones. No, they make good headphones, and I use a lot of their products and I do like their headphones. But this one, nah, just go find another one, probably for cheaper. You could probably get one off of Amazon for a lot cheaper. To conclude everything, I don't actually need these headphones anymore because I have these over here that are my recording headphones. Originally I had bought these because I needed something. I like having my own set headphones for different things that I do. So like having recording headphones and everything, so my ears get used to how things sound and everything like that. So now I don't really need these. I gave these to my mom so she could use them for her new phone and everything, and now I just use my Arctis Pros for recording and editing and all that stuff. Overall, wouldn't recommend. Buy another pair of Mpow headphones. They still are a great company and they make good headphones, but these right here, they ain't it, son. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed the review. Let me know if you guys have used these or if you ran into this problem or if it's just me. I don't know if it's just me. That's my experience. That's my review. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.